Hire James, Episode 7, Creating Content at Scale with AI. Every business needs content, blogs, ads, social posts, videos, but creating it the old way takes forever. Hours of writing, editing, and brainstorming, only to burn out before you've posted consistently. AI changes that completely. Here's the shift. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva AI, you can generate content at lightning speed. One blog post becomes 10 LinkedIn updates, 3 ad variations, and a week's worth of social media. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you repurpose and multiply. Think of it like this. Traditional content is a handcrafted meal. AI-powered content is a professional kitchen that can prepare dozens of meals at once. All consistent, all on brand. Now picture this at scale. Your pipeline of content never runs dry. Every platform stays active. Your audience sees you everywhere. And the best part, you're not chained to your keyboard. Your systems are doing the work for you. This is how modern agencies grow, not by grinding out content manually, but by scaling output without burning out. And in the next episode, we'll connect the dots. Because creating content is one thing, but nurturing leads until they're ready to buy is where the real money is made. That's what we'll cover in Episode 8, AI chatbots and automated email sequences.